You said not so long ago, I don't believe peace will come through prayer. Peace must come through our actions.
Yes, sir.
And indeed, there was a tweet that went out from your account yesterday that made a similar point. But the actions of some Buddhists have, in recent times, been very bloody. I mean, I'm thinking of the attacks on the Muslims in Burma and Sri Lanka. Do you have no control over their actions there?
Of course. Even I think all the religious tradition, I think the supreme our teacher, like Jesus Christ or Buddha, is cannot control all human mind.
But isn't that abdicating?
So now here, I think one my friend, one scientist, in many years ago in Argentina, our meeting, one physicist, he mentioned our meeting. He, scientist, physicist, but he should not develop attachment towards his own scientific field. That means I'm Buddhist, I should not develop attachment towards Buddhism. Now, this is the real sort of point. If I too much sort of attach my own faith, then your whole mental attitude becomes biased. With biased mind, you cannot see the others as the value objectively. So I think those sometimes people call what we call fundamentalist. So only think yourself, not think others' value. So this is one fundamental thing. Then another thing, I think many cases some conflict in the name of religion, but reality, economy reasons or political sort of differences. So then people use the name of religion.
So what is the motivation, for example, of the Buddhist monk Wiratu, who calls himself the Burmese bin Laden? He's got tens of thousands of followers and he's been accused of stoking anti-Muslim hatred. What's his motivation?
I don't know. I never sort of have opportunity to study very thoroughly. So unless we know the situation fully, just to make comment, almost like speculation, it's not much use.
But you condemn him, presumably.
Of course, these are wrong. Firstly, we must respect each individual's life, not only human being, but also other animals. Even sort of any sort of the phenomena which have life, we must respect their life. So ecology, from Buddhist viewpoint, we must respect the life of trees or vegetation or these things. So then, human being, no question. This is number one. The second, it is Buddha's time when his own sort of teaching. He taught different sort of philosophical views to his own follower. That means, you see, he respects individual sort of mental disposition. Therefore, obviously, we Buddhists must sort of recognize the different people who follow different religion. You see, that religious faith is suitable to those people. So we must respect. So you see, we must develop the religious or the pluralism. It's very, because of that, very well with Buddha's sort of whole thinking.